Hello, my beautiful people. Thank you for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we are going to do the feedback session from the previous video. If this is your first time here, I recommend you watch the previous video where we talked about the Rocky Mountains and the Appalachian Mountains. Now, let's test what you've learned. Are the Rocky Mountains older than the Appalachian Mountains? No, the Appalachian Mountains are older. Do the Rocky Mountains stretch from Canada to New Mexico? Yes, they do. Are the Appalachian Mountains only found in the western United States? No, they are located in the eastern United States. Is the Rocky Mountain Range about 80 million years old? Yes, that's correct. Is the Appalachian Trail over 2,100 miles long? Yes, it's one of the longest hiking trails in the world. Are the Rockies known for soft, rolling hills? No, they are known for rugged, sharp peaks. Have the Appalachians been shaped by millions of years of erosion? Yes, that's why they appear softer and lower today. Do both mountain ranges hold cultural significance in the U.S.? Yes, they both play important cultural and historical roles. Are Yellowstone and Glacier National Parks part of the Appalachian Mountains? No, they are part of the Rockies. Do the Rockies symbolize the American frontier spirit? Yes, they represent adventure and the wild outdoors. Make sure to watch this video several times to reinforce your learning, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos in this amazing series on learning English and American culture. See you in the next adventure.